What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't been here for a little while and I know I keep saying I'm gonna come back and then I don't have an excuse for that. But I am back today and I'm so excited because one, I got a new camera. I got the EOS 90D Canon and I'm just so excited to be filming with it and playing with it. This is my first video on it. So let me know if you guys think the sound sounds better, if it looks better. Let me know down below. Okay, so you guys may have seen from the title, I'm doing something very
stupid
today. I'm terrified. I'm waiting for the package to come. It should be arriving any minute now. So I'm like, I'm scared. I'm really scared. Look what has arrived. I never thought I could be so scared of such a small package, but let's get on with it. I want to show you guys the stupidity that is going to ensue. I really hope that this works out for me. I really hope, because getting your brows laminated is expensive. It's not cheap. So if I could do it myself, why not? Also, this was from Amazon and I think it was only like 20 bucks, which isn't that bad, but red flag? I don't know. Oh my God. It's here. Okay guys, let's unbox it together. I haven't opened it up yet. So this is called the Silk Sense Lash Lift Eyelash Perming Kit. Perm Fixation Nutrition Cleanser. So if you didn't know, the same formula that they use to do lash lifts is the exact same formula that they use to do brow lamination. I actually got the idea of this video from THUYLE'S. I will leave her YouTube down below. She's so funny. She's absolutely hilarious. And she did the exact same thing, I think with a different lash kit. If you don't know, I actually don't have a ton of eyebrow underneath this eyebrow. This is fake. It's false. I'm catfishing you all if you didn't know. But you might know because in some of my videos I start off barefaced. But anyway, let's open this box up because I'm super excited to do this, but I'm also super freaking scared. Okay, so I just grabbed my iPhone and I'm gonna do this vlog style. It's just a little bit easier for me. So I just opened this up and inside there's a false lash glue, 1 perm, 2 fixation, 3 nutrition, 4 cleanser, the clean tool, and lift pads. I don't see instructions anywhere. And I kind of need those. Is it? Oh, here they are. Okay, so you are very zoomed in now. It's for a reason, so you could get a really good look at these eyebrows. So the instructions, it says, use cleanser solution number 4 to remove oil, dust, and makeup residue. So as I said before, I do already have my eyebrows on, so I'm gonna clean those off. Okay, so let's just wipe this eyebrow away. She is gone. She's pretty much gone. That's all the makeup that came off. Ew. I have eyebrows that like the hair doesn't grow like up here. So I just imagine, like, you know, you've seen those brow lamination photos and videos of people doing it and their eyebrows look so beautiful and so full. And I'm hoping that that's going to be the end result of this, but I'm nervous that it won't be and it'll be terrible or my eyebrow hairs will fall off. So let's hope that's not the case. So I'm going to go in with the false lash glue and I am going to stick my eyebrows up straight, and I'm going to do this in sections. I have seen some videos of this, some good, some bad. Let's hope I'm part of the good. So I am going to start off with this eyebrow and I'm just going to do the front section. The front section of my eyebrows actually already sticks up, but you know, why not? So you use this little tool. I don't know if you guys could see it. This little tool, it has like little hair, it has little brush strokes there, and you use it to lift your eyebrow up with the glue. And I'm going to move on to the next section. Holy Jesus. My eyebrow hairs are hella long. Okay, so that's one eyebrow. I mean, it already looks so much fuller. I definitely need to trim these hairs. My eyebrows are wild right now. So I'm gonna move on to the next eyebrow. And again, I'm gonna go in steps, but I'm gonna do this one off camera because if not, we'll be here forever. Guys, I'm dead. Look at my eyebrows. Oh my God. Okay, see these guys over here, they don't want to cooperate with me. Oh, and they're crusty now. Oh Lord. Okay, I think that is the best. I'm gonna get them to stick up. So let's move on to the next step. It says, apply perm solution number 1 onto eyelashes, then cover with plastic film for 8 to 12 minutes. So let me get plastic film. And I'm gonna apply step number 1, which is the little perm bottle. And I'm gonna apply that directly onto my eyelashes with a Q-tip. I'm gonna go in. Ooh. Oh my God. That smells like garbage. Wow, that literally smells like a... Wow, that's terrible. And we're gonna apply that to the brow. I'm like actually terrified of this. It smells so bad that it like kind of scares me low-key. Or high-key. Okay, I have the solution on everywhere. I'm gonna grab my cling wrap and just stick it on to my face. Just like that. And we will sit here for 8 to 10 minutes. Just like this. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, we're ready for the next step. Okay, so now I'm supposed to take this plastic wrap off. That perm solution smells effing terrible. And I'm supposed to put step 2, which is the little fixation bottle, and then cover it back up with more cling wrap. Okay, so I just put the cling wrap on, and it says to wait another 8 to 12 minutes. So I'm gonna put it for 10 minutes. I feel like that's a safe number, and then I will be back to clean off my eyebrows and we'll see what this looks like. Okay guys, my alarm just went off. I'm gonna take this off. Okay, so the next step says to apply nutrition solution number 3 to nourish the lashes / brows. So this is what that little bottle looks like. I'm gonna put it on a cotton pad. It's kind of like an oil. No, it definitely is an oil. And I am just gonna use that kind of to wipe up and wipe some of that product off. And then I'm gonna go in with the cleanser again. Okay, good. My eyebrows have not fallen off, and that is the most important thing here. Okay, so my brows are clean. Just have this spoolie, flick them up. See if I could lay them down. Oh my God, this kind of worked. I'm so excited. Oh my God. Okay, so I've seen some people actually tint their eyebrows after the cleansing step or before the cleansing step, and it makes their eyebrows look so beautiful. I don't have a eyebrow tinting kit, so I will not be doing that part, but wow, I'm very impressed. I mean, I'm still gonna have to fill in my eyebrows, you know, so that didn't really change, but I feel like it's gonna have more of like a nice fluffy eyebrow effect when I do fill them in, and I probably don't have to fill them in as much. And now I'm gonna lightly fill in my eyebrows and come back to give you guys my thoughts. Wow, guys, I am so impressed. I gently, like so gently filled in my eyebrows. Like literally all I really did was the line down here, just because this eyebrow is very sparse. And I literally filled in a little bit up here because, like I said, I don't really get a lot of hair growth up there. So I filled in a little bit here, and that's it. And my eyebrows look incredible. Okay, so thank God that ended up so well. I am absolutely obsessed. Like, I'm blown away, and I'm just like, I need to do this on everyone I know. Like, this is incredible. It took me literally 3 seconds to fill in my eyebrow just now. This is great. So I definitely approve of this little lash lift kit. I will leave the link down below so you guys could try for yourself. I definitely think that this is something so easy. Like, that was so easy to do. And I'm a huge klutz, and I feel like I did it super well, and like I said, I'm blown away. I'm actually blown away, and I hope that you guys get the opportunity to try this. Just make sure you do a skin test first. I didn't do a skin test. I don't have the most sensitive skin on earth, but I did get a little bit of redness around places, but you could probably expect that with chemicals going on your face. So I'm definitely going to keep doing this. I'm going to try this out on a bunch of my friends, my mom. I'm so excited to do this on my mom because she has the exact same eyebrows as me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and stay tuned for my next video. I have like 10 videos lined up right now, and I'm so excited to get back into the groove of things. So I will see you guys soon. Bye.